Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in today. Today I will be sharing with you A to Z how to make this beautiful and delicious cake you are seeing on the screen. So take your seat and let's do it together. First of all, you are going to grease your pan properly to avoid the cake sticking to the pan in the process of baking. Here I am using butter to grease my pan and then line it with a baking paper. You can also use oil to grease your pan. Make sure to also grease the side of the pan. These are the ingredients you will need to make this cake. We have here 3 large eggs, sugar, oil, flour, baking powder, milk and vanilla. Please make sure to check the description box for exact measurements. In the stand mixer, beat together the eggs and sugar until a banana milkshake consistency is achieved, and you have to do this in medium to high speed, as in starts first of all in medium speed, then increase to high speed. Now turn off the stand mixer, add in the oil and vanilla, and then turn the speed up to mix in. Mix with slow speed. Stop the mixer and in a clean bowl, combine the flour and baking powder together thoroughly, and add in 1/3 of the flour and mix on a low speed. Scrape the side of the bowl and add half of the milk and mix together. Stop the mixer and add half of the remaining flour and mix. Add also the remaining milk and mix together. Stop the mixer and add the remaining flour and mix until fully incorporated. You are going to mix from medium to high speed. Once that is fully incorporated, bring out your bowl and mix with a spatula by hand to ensure it's smooth and no lumps are stuck to the bottom of the bowl. Now that is done, we are going to weigh out approximately 500 grams into each tin. Now it's time to bake, but before that, you are going to raise and drop the pan to release some of the air bubbles. And you are going to bake for about 50 minutes. Once baked, leave in the tins for a couple of minutes. Outturn the cakes on a cooling rack upside down and leave to cool completely. When it is completely cool, Wrap in cling film and leave at room temperature overnight or freeze. Do not put in the fridge. This dries it out. Now let's make the buttercream for this cake. In the stand mixer bowl, combine the egg whites and sugar and mix until fully incorporated using the rubber spatula. Place the bowl over a pan of simmering water and stir with spatula until it reaches 65 degrees centigrade and all the sugar has melted. Make sure that you continuously clean the sides of the bowl with the spatula while heating. Once heated to the temperature, place the bowl onto the stand mixer with the wicks attachment and wicks on a high speed for about 5 minutes until it is very thick. When it is thick and glossy, stop whisking and leave until the bowl is completely cool. Once cool, turn the mixer back onto a low-medium speed and add the softened butter piece by piece. You don't have to wait until each piece has completely mixed in. Wait for the magic moment to occur when it looks like it's curdling, and only then you should turn the speed up high for about 30 seconds to give the mixture a final whisk to mix everything in. At this point, you can see that the mixture has started curdling, so you can now increase the speed to a very high speed for 30 seconds. At this point, you can now stop the stand mixer and give the buttercream a mix by hand, making sure all the butter is mixed in from sides and bottom of the bowl. You know, it is advisable to bake your cake the night before the day that you are going to do the decoration so that everything can fit in properly. This also allows the crumbs to set so it's not too fluffy, and it also ensures that the cake is completely cool. And finally, it helps you to stay organized. All the baking on one day, all the decorating the next day. And remember to preheat the oven at 165 degrees centigrade and bake for 50 minutes. So guys, that is how to bake a cake from start to finish. And please, if you have not liked this video, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button and also hit the like button. Share with friends and family, and if you are new to this channel, you are welcome. Thank you for joining us today. To my old subscribers, I appreciate you all for always being there, giving us your support. May God continue to bless you all richly. Thanks so much once again for joining us today. And just in case you have any questions, feel free to drop that in the comment section and we'll gladly attend to it. And because we do not want this video to be too lengthy, we are going to do another video showing you how to make the chocolate sponge cake and also how to decorate your cake. So please watch till the end to see the final outcome of this beautiful cake, and also stay tuned to get notification of when we upload the next video. Thanks everyone, and once again, bye.